Well, first job this morning, I'm going to give this a coat of clear lacquer. I know it's not necessarily the right thing to do, should be using an Intercoat clear, but there's just too much stuff here, easily damaged, to risk it going in and out of the van and such. There we go, that should be plenty to protect that. I'm now going to have to leave that for a good while to dry, so that when I mask it up with the magnets, it doesn't leave a mark in the lacquer, so probably won't touch that till tomorrow now. Well, one job that I've definitely got to do before I go much further is to replace the brake pads on the bike. I've known they really do need doing for a while, but now I think we're down to the bare metal from the noise it's making. So I did manage to get some more from a bike shop in Lymington, so I'm going to do that now. Well, first thing to do is to straighten this split pin and then pull that out. Put that somewhere safe. Okay, well what I'm going to do then is take the whole caliper off, I think. Sure I don't lose any of those little washers or this spacer thingy. There we go, right. Now I think we should be able to why are they not coming out? I think what we're going to have to do is to put a tyre lever in there and push these pistons back. There we go. Oh yes, look. They were definitely due for replacement, I'd say. Naughty me, leaving them far too long, eh? Well, here's my new pads. Let's pop them in. I'm never going to get the disc in there, am I? I'm going to have to push those pistons back even further. Back as far as you'll go, mates. There you go. Plastic tyre lever would be better for that, but only got the metal one. You've got to get everything lined up at this back end to get that split pin back in. Now you would have thought they'd give you a new split pin with these, but they haven't, so I am reusing the old one. Okay. Right, let's pop this back on again. I'm not going to do this up fantastically tight because what I need to do is align everything I don't know if you can see, there's a line there and a line there. You want to get bang in line with the disc, because these don't slide on anything, these calipers. You just rely on you actually getting them central. Right, I think that's pretty central. Lovely job. Now let's do the back. Same drill again. On the back here, they're mounted slightly differently. So I think the thing to do, I'm not going to get into that one, so the thing to do is to take it off on this one, I think. Take these little plastic clips off first, make sure to keep them safe. I can undo these. Can I? Yes, I can. Pretty stiff, these. Yeah, these ones not so bad, but these are the ones that I did manage to get some oil on a while back, and they've never really worked very well since. So it would be good to get a fresh pair of pads on there. Push these all the way back. Well, there we go, fresh pads in and all back, positioned nicely on the bike. Brakes seem to work much better now, so that's a success. Ooh, better go and wash my hands now. Well, now that the bike's fixed, it seems like a good idea to go and enjoy some of the sunshine we're having today, because the forecast for tomorrow and Saturday, which are our last days really, is for more rain. So I want to get on the bike and head to the coast. There's a little bridleway away down the road here that I haven't used yet that's heading in the right direction. So we'll try that out, see how it is. Brakes are much better now. Well, it was nice to be down by the beach, but we're a bit short of stuff for dinner, so I'm going to cycle back along this cycle path to Lymington and find something maybe in Tesco's for dinner. Actually, we're just coming past the Waitrose, might as well go in there. Well, we've got our shopping, just got to get it back to the campsite now. Well, that's all for now. If you enjoyed it, press like. Subscribe if you want to see some more. And ring the bell to be notified when we upload something new.